BMW's just slid out. Whoa! How are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now today, you join us at Reading Gate here tonight for Reading Japanese Meet. Now, if you have not seen the videos now from the last 3 months, the police have completely shut it down. One of them months, there was a police helicopter, so go check out them videos because it was a crazy one. So hopefully, the police aren't here once again. They're not here as of right now. We're half an hour early and we are the only people at the entrance to walk into the roundabout now. And yeah, it's finally coach season. I'm absolutely freezing. We're going to be stood here for a couple of hours. Oh, the BMW's just slid out. Okay. I was going to say it's a good sign police aren't here, but there probably will be police after that. Oh, we already had the BMW sliding out just there, and that is one of the first cars arriving tonight, so the roundabout is very slippery. One of the first Jap cars that I've seen tonight is an S13 arriving. For round 2. Turboed Mark 1 MX-5. He got sideways. Police van driving past, but it looks like he's nothing to do with the car meet tonight. Whoa! Check out this biker's helmet coming. Tonight, Mark II Focus ST arriving. No pop and bangs. Same police van is back once again. Still looks like he's not coming to the meet though. I guess. First proper police car of tonight. And now we have a police van making its entrance. Yep, so there should be a marked police car in there now and also a police van. We're now going to head into the car meet. I'm going to take some pictures and stuff, see what's happening, see where the police are located around the meet, because I reckon one of them's at the exit. No doubt, they've been there for the last couple of months now. So yeah, I'm going to go and take some pictures. They'll be over on Instagram, which will be on the screen now. It is so cold tonight and it's still nothing to what it's going to be like in a couple of months. Like January, February, it's going to be so cold. My hands are frozen. Like, it's hurting to film right now. Hands are that cold. Need to invest into some gloves. Just walking down to where the cars exit, there is usually a police car parked on this island, which there's not. It's a good sign, and also I can't see any police, so they must actually be in the event. But good thing is they're not at the exit. But you can tell winter is here because this car park is usually jam-packed with cars, but today it's not that busy. Most cars are now starting to leave. I think it's just due to the weather. It's just so cold out tonight. So I think we're going to head to the exit now. I've just taken loads of pictures. We'll be over on my Instagram. There's no police cars at the exit, which are just down there. We're going to go there shortly. But there is a police car sat further up the road, as we can see, being very sneaky. Look at the up go. Red or white? So that was it for cars arriving at Reading Jap Meet and also cars leaving Reading Jap Meet. Now, it seems like it's calmed down a little bit. If you saw the videos from the last 3 months, you will see the police have been absolutely on it and it's been shut down quite a bit. So this was the 4th month. There was only one police car sat right at the end and they haven't pulled anyone from tonight, which is a good sign. It seems like it's calmed down a little bit, but yeah, I really hope you have all enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. The car park is getting a little bit empty now. And yeah, we're getting some revs, but yeah, I got work tonight at 5 AM, so yeah, I need to go home and go to bed. But yeah, I really hope you have all enjoyed. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Peace out.